Hey there, GMG fans. Today, I'm excited to introduce our brand new tactical stainless folding front shelf, specifically for Ledge 2.0 owners. This American-made shelf will give you the extra space you need and the customization features to make your grilling smoother and more efficient. Now let's check it out. This shelf is made from high quality 304 stainless steel, so it's built tough to last through all your grilling sessions. At over 50% larger than your stock front shelf, it gives you more space and more management options for all your grilling tools and ingredients. What makes this shelf tactical? The customization options. You can add storage trays with built-in beer cup holders to one or both sides, or perhaps opt for the utensil hangers to keep your tools organized. Finally, you can add a paper towel or butcher paper holder with an easy tear-off feature to the front. And when it comes to installation, it's a breeze. Just bolt it on to the existing mounts, no cutting or drilling needed. It only takes you about 5 minutes to get this installed and ready for your next barbecue. If you're looking for an American-made upgrade for your Ledge 2.0, then the tactical stainless folding front shelf is the perfect addition. Visit pimpmygrill.com or click the link below to get yours today. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more cool grilling gear. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.